welcome to the series. Today you're going to be learning about, and I'm going to show you how it looks as a small plant. So let's get started and get on with the tour. Hello and welcome to Today in the Garden with me, the creative gardener. Here is a pumpkin. This was a big pumpkin patch, and I had a lot of trouble with what's known as squash bugs, and they love the young flowers and the foliage. And I know some of the foliage dies down, but they just had a feast. These whole beds were covered with the pumpkin vines, and actually might be. Right, let's have a look. See, you might be able to see some babies. I saw some babies earlier. I'm not worried now because the two. There you go. Look, it's so disgusting. Look at that. I've been spraying it with. See, they've attacked the vine. So some plants, they've been dying off a lot quicker. Like I had some watermelons, and because they must have ate the part of the vine, like you can see them here, just feasting on there. The plant doesn't grow to its full maturity. So the watermelons that you get come off are very young. They're not, as large as they could be. So I've been battling with them and using the soapy water, the oil, and but luckily managed to get 2 pumpkins from it. Got some more vines growing, and what I'll have to do is it's addressing the soil, nourishing the soil, creating the right environment so that the plant is healthy, so that it can withstand any attack that might happen from any of these bugs. And once you do that, you have a much healthier plant, and it's able to thrive. So that is one of my plants that I'm showing you today, the pumpkin. And I'm quite pleased with it. I'm quite pleased. I'm going to have to take that one up because, as you can see, the vine that it's attached to is now dead. It's all dead, died away. So I need to pick it up so that they don't see that as an opportunity to try and bore through the skin. All right, so thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. I think we're probably kind of halfway, nearly, practically. It seems like that. It just seems so many plants to show you, but I'm really enjoying it. So look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.